Hello and welcome back to my channel IQD to USD Insights into the revaluation of the Iraqi Dinar and Vietnamese Dong. The ongoing discussions surrounding the revaluation, RV, of the Iraqi Dinar, IQD, and Vietnamese Dong, VND, continue to generate significant interest among investors and foreign exchange enthusiasts. Recent updates shed light on key developments in this process, alongside valuable tips for currency exchange. One noteworthy insight, shared by Intel guru Frank26, highlights the Idaho Central Credit Union as a viable option for currency exchange. With a flat service fee of $10 regardless of the amount, ICCU provides an affordable solution through its 60-plus branches across Idaho and some in Washington state. This service could appeal to those looking to exchange currencies like the Iraqi dinar. Additionally, Frank26 pointed out heightened activity among private banks in Iraq and internationally. These institutions are reportedly gearing up for a surge in customer demand, particularly from Iraqi citizens, as expectations around the RV process grow. Meanwhile, news analyst Militiaman emphasized resistance from certain groups benefiting from Iraq's current economic inefficiencies. These groups aim to maintain the status quo, as reforms threaten their access to resources and influence. This dynamic underscores the challenges Iraq faces on its path toward economic reform. Revaluation. A long-awaited development, the revaluation of the Iraqi dinar and Vietnamese dong has been a subject of speculation for years. Both currencies have attracted attention from investors and economists, who hope for significant value appreciation. Iraq, undergoing major economic reforms, appears to be setting the stage for the dinar's eventual revaluation. Similarly, Vietnam's growing manufacturing sector and expanding global trade partnerships have positioned the dong for a steady rise in value. Recent televised statements from financial experts and central bank officials in Iraq and Vietnam have confirmed plans for revaluation. This announcement has sparked optimism among investors, though skepticism persists regarding the timeline and overall impact of these changes. A gradual process. It's important to understand that revaluation is not an instantaneous event. The process unfolds in phases, with both Iraq and Vietnam collaborating with global financial institutions to adjust their exchange rate systems. Government policies must also align to support these changes. While confirmation of the RV has ignited interest, the exact timing and scale remain uncertain. Market fluctuations are anticipated as exchange rates stabilize, making it crucial for investors to manage expectations and prepare for volatility. In Iraq's case, a potential surge in global investor demand for the dinar could cause significant shifts in exchange rates. This initial volatility may take time to stabilize. Vietnam's situation differs, as the dong's value is expected to rise gradually. Driven by foreign investment and robust export growth, Vietnam's integration into the global economy suggests a more organic increase in the dong's value rather than abrupt changes. What this means for investors. For those holding Iraqi dinars or Vietnamese dong, recent developments offer a moment of optimism. While the revaluation process is unlikely to yield immediate returns, these currencies' upward trajectories indicate long-term potential. Investors are advised to remain patient, stay informed, and monitor exchange rates closely. Consulting financial advisors experienced in currency trading can provide valuable guidance during this complex transition. Diversifying one's investment portfolio is also wise, as emerging markets like Iraq and Vietnam attract increased global attention. Understanding the risks associated with currency investments is crucial for making well-informed decisions. Broader implications for Iraq and Vietnam. Beyond financial gains, the revaluation holds broader significance for both Iraq and Vietnam. For Iraq, a stronger dinar represents a turning point after years of conflict and economic instability. It signifies the success of economic reforms, benefiting not just investors, but also Iraqi citizens and businesses. Increased purchasing power and economic stability are expected outcomes, paving the way for further growth. For Vietnam, the dong's steady rise reflects the nation's growing influence as a global manufacturing hub. As Vietnam continues to integrate into the global economy, Its currency's revaluation is a natural result of its progress. Other notable developments. In related news, Iraq has been named the Arab tourism capital for 2025, a testament to its cultural and economic revival. Additionally, Iraq ranks second among Arab nations and ninth globally in natural resources, emphasizing its strategic importance.